everyone, this is XP Gaming, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Duncan Brain game set. A Duncan Brain game set has lots of puzzles. Woohoo! I did loosen it up a bit, so there. Let's just move it to the side. I've currently got fidget toys out, and well, the fidget toy, I mean the one fidget spinner I have. So let me just compare this regular 3x3, this official Rubik's, to this Duncan Quick Cube. That's how fast I can do that. Let's just do orange and blue. So this is officially faster than my original cube. So I solved it. Solved it again. So that actually is faster than this cube. I don't know why. I put hot water on this cube just to make it faster, and then put paper to make it slower. Just move it back there. And then there is a color puzzle thingy. It's called the color shift. It says on the box. Color shift. So I'll just scramble this and then I'll solve it. I'm just gonna. This is my first ever one, so that's what's the best part about it. I really love solving, and I do like scrambling cubes, even though it is really hard normally. So there, I'll try solving it now. Oh, I know. This just is a cube bit thing. This is like a cube. This is just like normal cubes. The cubes that I have, but in a circle. Sorry, I went off screen. So here is how much I scrambled it right now. Well, solved a bit. So this is just me solving it. I haven't ever solved one, so pretty new to it, I guess. I started the speed cubing like a while back. When I mean a while back, I just mean not that long ago. So also don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget I will post more. Sorry for taking too long. I will try to post more often. I just do not get any ideas, and then I started to unbox this, and then I got the idea to review it. So yeah, I'm here reviewing something that I actually bought with my money. And I can't just switch these two around. I have to do the hard way. What's the hard way, you may ask? Do a circle. That's the hard way. If you're like seriously doing a circle, also doing a circle is pretty hard when you are trying to get all the colors back in the right spot of a cube that doesn't turn that well, or a ball puzzle that takes forever to solve. And I solved it. This, I'm brave enough to take it apart. Actually, nah, definitely not. Nah, I'm definitely not gonna put this puzzle back. I am gonna try to undo what I just did. So, there. I can't solve this. Is there really a tutorial on this stuff? If there is a tutorial on this, I'm looking forward to finding a tutorial for hard puzzles. So it's like that. So it's there. I cannot solve it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter about it. Put it there. There's checkerboard, so I can solve this. So this is not the end, because this is my Kmart snake puzzle. I do not know why I paused, but it doesn't matter. This snake puzzle is like more slower than this, but it's easier to control due to the lack of like the twisting. The twisting is pretty good. To be honest, this twisting is still good. It'll always be good in my opinion. Wait, have I done it? There, solved. Was back to normal. Solved. I'll do the thing of stack after I solve this cube. There you go. I'll just stack the cubes first. I believe it's getting a bit high, so I'm going to just put this here. So there's that. I can't stack any higher. Actually, I believe I can. There. And then, that's all I can stack. I don't think that will. No. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Oops. So thank you for watching. Here's a spin on my Rubik's Cube. My fidget spinner to say that it's time. Bye bye.